Good evening, everyone. Here's your 2-minute weather brought to you by Flagler Weather Info with information from the National Weather Service in Jacksonville, Florida. Well, the pattern has changed just as we were talking about. Now with the southeast wind flow, it's going to keep the rain chances, best rain chances inland, even though we could still see a quick shower or two around here. There's your forecast for tonight. Generally partly cloudy skies. There's a slight risk of a coastal shower, most likely after midnight tonight. Any of those would be very brief and very few and far between. Maybe even a rumble of thunder, but again, very little of it. Low temperatures generally be near 75 inland, near 80 at the beaches. Southeast winds decreasing to less than 10 miles an hour. A little breezier, though, at the beaches overnight tonight. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. Chance of a shower, maybe a thunderstorm right along the beach near sunrise. And then a chance of a scattered shower or thunderstorm inland, mainly west of I-95 during the afternoon. And then rain chances decreasing as the afternoon progresses as all that activity moves further inland. High temperatures between 85 and 90 degrees. Southeast winds increasing to 10 to 20 miles an hour, breezy at times. Looking at tomorrow night, generally partly cloudy, slight risk of a coastal shower or storming, and mainly late lows in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 10 miles an hour. Look at the rest of the week now. Tuesday through Saturday, I expect generally the same pattern. Just a slight chance of a shower or storm. Best chances along the beach in the morning and then inland during the afternoon. High temperatures in the 80s and near 90, lows generally in the mid to upper 70s. At the beaches, surf running 1 to 2 feet, surf temperature 79 degrees. High tide at 6:30 this evening, low tide 12:45 in the morning. High tide 7 tomorrow morning, low tide 12 tomorrow afternoon, 1 tomorrow afternoon, and a high tide near 7:30 tomorrow evening. In the intercoastal, low tide at 5:40, high tide near midnight, low tide 6:30 in the morning, high tide 12:15 in the afternoon, and low tide at 6:30 tomorrow evening in the intercoastal waterway. So sum it up, folks, a drier pattern this week. Looks like it's going to hold at least through the weekend. And so just a few showers and storms. The best chances of seeing those are going to be out in Mondex and Andalusia and places like that. Though you could see one along the coast in the morning. But any of those would be very few and far between. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check Facebook, Flagler Weather Info, for updates.